Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, Discord. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to another edition of WBE TV, 6th August 2026. Let's see what we have by way of news. So, major US news for 6th August 2026, 8:30 a.m., which just happened. Medium impact news, unemployment claim. As always, reduce the time between planting that seed and harvest. Poverty loves procrastinating. And now look at our levels for the day. Our bull target is 29,671. PDH 30,074. PDO 29,777. PDC 29,615. PDL 29,530. Our bear target is 29,401. And our pivot 29,515. Now let's see what we have in store on the charts. So on the chart, we actually kind of tagged our bear targets already, pulled back. We've been chopping up the whole of morning session. So let's see if we get some kind of breakout with the news or at least market open. At this point in time, we are caught up with a bunch of gaps. So it's gonna be an interesting day. Anyway, as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more. To join us in our free channel, the link is in the description. And to join us in the premium channel, reach out to WBE Master on Discord or Telegram for access. Thanks for joining us. Let's see if we can do some damage to the market today. Excuse me, guys. I'll be right back.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
How about that, guys? So far the market not really doing anything. So we're in a holding pattern as of now. Unemployment news was positive. It's less than forecast, but more than previous. Taking a break, guys. I'll be back in a bit.
Go to breakfast.
Okay, so it looks like unemployment claims give us a little bit of a sell. We're about 17 minutes away from market open, and we are in this 1 hour bull gap, 5 minutes, 4 hour bull gap, and also daily gap. Gonna be interesting to see if we continue pushing down. 5 minutes to market open. We're just below Asia low. Struggling to break through the bull gap. This is risky territory. Anything could happen. OSOBs, 30 seconds, oversold, coming out of oversold territory, trying to push up. 2 minutes, oversold. System range. Higher time frames look bearish for sure. Anything can happen. 30 seconds. Incoming. Yeah. Push back to Asia long. Not close enough value. Morning, Ghost. It's like might be pushing down to fill that gap. It's just too wicked. There we go. We just tag the bottom of the gap. We can get a pull back here. That was a nice move. Push that tag. Asia low. And drop. Three, 6, 5. Oh, we're doing okay. It's kind of whoa.
I'll get back to the P&L shots. I've just been very focused, having tunnel vision as of late. But yeah, so far so good, Bills. Yeah, no complaints.
Back to Asia low. I'm gonna break through.
We're about to go. That's a lot of volume.
Whoa. Okay. Kool-Aid in by.
Absolutely.
Back to Tokyo Low. Wow. So let's try to push this thing back up, back down. Okay, are you gonna reject the C? Okay. We might reject here.
Yeah.
80 area. If we don't, and we break below Asia low again, coming back down. Both coming in hot. There's trying to pull them back. So higher high, higher low, created another higher high. Whoa, a guy. Momentum is flowing. So again, buys, make sure you're protected. Let's see if we bounce off this area here. 424. Continue going up. Nope. Let's see. Okay. It's more like it. Ghosts.
Goat Ghost underscore Market Savage Goat said holding buys to 470.
Or 70. It's a good area.
Or 70 smashed. We're in a 5-minute bag up, so careful.
They call me Market Papi, Papi, Papi. Money, money, money.
I think this is the pullback from the big bullish move from 2 days ago. So this is definitely look like it might want to continue.
There you go. Okay, this is something about to happen here. They're either gonna explode or we're gonna get a massive pullback.
I think we explode.
Let's go then. About 470. Want to come up to your low. I just realized that this area is a strong level, 468. I guess that's why it goes at 417. We're going to break through. We need to break through some strong momentum to continue going. And then the pivot is at 515. So that's our next stop. Let's go. Let's go. Pivot incoming. London open tag. Boom. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Almost tagged the pivot. Yes, finally tagged the pivot. Okay, this area is risky. You have the PDL. The pivot is right there. The PDL is right above it, and then our current London high. You're still holding. This is where you gotta be careful. Make sure you're trailing. Partials off the table. All that good stuff.
Let's freaking go.
PDL tagged. We're starting to lose some kind of momentum. I want to see another big push. Above PDL. Yeah, 30 seconds and 2 minutes voice to move upward overbought. And there we go. Give us the big move. Daily open next. Daily open 29,569. We are slowing down though. 10 minutes to 10 o'clock. Okay, let's go. New London high. Daily open next. Back to the pivot. Okay. 50-second OSOB is breaking out of the shaded area, the robot area. Let's see. That is a slight pullback, or is that an indication that we're going to come to a deep pullback?
All right, almost 10 o'clock. If we get here.
Okay, we pull back to the berry vessel. Is that deep enough? Or we would come all the way to the next day report. So now fill it to 10. Pivot right there, PDL right there. Like when you opening range right there.
It could continue. It looks like it's trying to.
Best I try to hold it down. Just under 30 seconds, 10 o'clock. Almost got to the daily open. It's 10 o'clock.
They might just consolidate for a bit.
Yeah.
I could just drop from here. Let's go. Yeah, microphone. You can hear me? Yes, sir.
Yeah.
How they doing? Sorry, what?
I said, not a bad day at the office.
Shouldn't be. Everybody should be doing good. All right, let's see. We smashed target at 470. We're looking for price to go fill maybe 29,700s. So I think there's room. There's room to 29,613 and then above 29,613 you go to 29,700. I think we gotta fill that gap. Close that whole thing out.
Gotcha.
So we'll see if they eventually take 550. You do need to take 550 to go up to Asian Open. It's about 590, and then above 590 you can take 613. So here we go. Let's see if this can continue to pump above 550 and into Asian Open. That's where you've kind of got sellers sitting up there, but they might easily break through that. So here we go into 600s. So let's see if we can get 613. That should be the next target. My workstation keeps crashing, so hopefully it holds through the day, so I don't have to go down and pick up a drive or even replace it. We'll have to see how it holds up for the rest of the day. This is probably the third or fourth time it's crashing.
In one day?
So not good.
You said the third or fourth time in one day?
In a week.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, so I think it's probably the drive is bad. It's gone bad. Yep.
That's not good.
So what now?
So that's not good.
No, it ain't. It's not good.
We're stalling at the daily open.
And talk continuation.
probably break out of here to 613. That'll be the next level. And then we go to 700.
Let's go.
Should get another pump here. At least we get 613. Beautiful pump there. Like I said, final target 700. That's what I'm looking for.
Let's do it.
Sorry, what's that?
Let's do it. Alright, 613 smashed. Let's see if we get 700. That'll be the next level. But you should be out quite a bit. It's not this level. But it's on board. Yep, about. You got in.
Order canceled.
365. You're up about 1,000 ticks, so you should be getting ready to get out.
Absolutely.
So I'm closing out most accounts as always. Take some profit here if I can. See if I want to break through this. I think we'll make a go for it though. 700's incoming. Should be able to break out and go.
He's holding.
Yeah, probably get a pullback and then pump. That's what they've been doing. Pullback, consolidate, and then pump. Pullback, consolidate, pump. So as long as we don't take out 555, there's still room to the upside. I think they'll do it. There we go. Coming into 620s. Let's see if they can break above that and go. There goes that push. Let's go. Beautiful. All right, 650s, and then we get 700. Should be up plenty.
Absolutely.
Should be up a lot. So as we get into these 650s, you're gonna want to be very careful. If you want to close out and call it a day, this would be it.
Yeah.
Because up here we might start failing, right? If we start to fail, we'll kind of roll over back into 29,500s. You don't want to see that. We want to see 700 get taken. I think we still got one more pump. Check out my other accounts real quick.
Yeah, she's definitely failing.
After took a high and then probably take off again. But yeah.
Yeah, so you probably get a pullback down to 613 and then pop again, or you just get a break above 650 and then you just pop into 700. But I think you get a pullback down 613, then you get a pump. If not, you're just gonna take the highs at 650 and then you go to 700. doing it. Nice and slow. We're just getting there. At least you should be up to about 700 ticks ish. Be very careful here. She goes again.
Yeah.
Yep, 700 incoming. That's a hard drop.
Strong pullback. Again, right after tapping into that gap, which was 660. But I think as long as you don't lose, well, we've lost 613, right? So if you don't lose Asian Open, there's still room to go back up. There's some pullback down into 580s. So we'll see if those 580s hold.
Let's see.
I'm not interested in selling into these pullbacks because market has proved to be bullish, and we filled 1 hour gap, right? Rejected beautifully back into another 1 hour gap. So I'm thinking pullback, consolidate, and then continue higher. So not very eager to start selling into this. There is liquidity at 516, so you could easily come into that. If you push back 613, 620 and you fail, you can come down into 513s, 516. But I don't see that happening yet. I think what you want is a pullback and then continuation. But I won't be surprised if they roll through that 5-minute gap and come down into 516. Very possible if you fail 520, but no confirmation yet. Just gotta keep eyes on this coming down. I might consider sell if we take 545. That's the only time I'd consider sell. You can see what they're doing there, right? Pullback, consolidate, pump, right? So you'll probably go to 740 when this is all done. Be about 740, because what's gonna do is probably take 650, take 700, right, and then sweep 740 and drop. Maybe get a pullback after you sweep 740. I think we're getting ready to squeeze. Trend's your friend until the trend changes, right? So, bullish market, especially this kind of market, right? Once it trends a certain direction, just follow. Just follow that direction. There's no need to counter trend trade unless you have confirmation. There we go, lifting again, right? So didn't lose 550, bounced off 560s, and off they go again. So now the question becomes, do they take the high, right? So they need to take the high, which is about 660, 670. If they're going to continue higher.
Order canceled.
Oh, I'm out.
Both sides.
Nah, I was holding. I got in around was it 506? Yeah. Tried to hold the 740.
Looks like a decent double top, but I don't want to count on it yet. again
Yeah.
until you take 550. So 545-ish. That's kind of my entry to the downside. And I'd be selling that into 510, 516, and then I'll buy 516 to go back up. I don't think there's much left for big moves, so you have to scalp until we get down to at least 516. Come down to 516, reject, look for the move higher. Then you kind of have opportunity there to get, what's that? 200 points. 516 to about 540. You can score a nice 200, 250 points if we do come down that low. So this looks kind of interesting. Interesting setup, for sure. So we got double top. Still not breaking below 540. So I see 545, 550 to 545. Then I can kind of consider selling it. And that will take you into 16. Rejecting right off that level, so no entry. If they start to consolidate here and take 580, I might consider buying again. But the ideal buy would be 516. But if they start to hold this, I'll consider buying and I'll protect every 10 points. Because now it's just scalper. I don't see any big moves incoming. You're gonna get anything, you're just gonna have to scalp it. I don't need to see price get above 580. Alright, so I'm gonna take this as soon as this candle closes. It's close above 580 and it's still pulling back. With the close 580, I'll take a buy.
Okay.
30 seconds before the candle closes. Buys of 516 would be really nice. That would be the ideal move. But if this closes above 580, I'll take a buy. Taking a buy to 740. And I'm looking to protect every 10 points. And it might take off. Alright, I'm in. Take a buy here. 10 points, protect. I'm looking for 740. 700, 740. But every 10 points, you gotta protect it. I'd rather get stopped out and re-enter this than just blindly hold. because we are definitely chopping up. You need this close above 613 if we're going to continue. 613 back to 640, and then you can try to squeeze out of 640. So let's see if we can break 620. 620. Can we get 640?
Thought they were nice. Do a bit.
I still feel like she wants that 613 level, 516 level. I still feel like they want 516, and then off 516 they can start to beat. I think that's where I want to go. I'll be looking to buy off that. Alright, you should be out of that trade if you took it. Like I said, with a scalper trade, right? 10 points protect. So you should be out. Enters about 690, got up to 620, you got about 30 points on the trade. Don't expect anything big at this point. The market's had, what, 4 days, Thursday, 3 big days, right? Monday was a big day, Tuesday, big day, Wednesday, big day to the downside. So don't expect a whole lot. Okay, so 613 incoming. Oh, 513, sorry, 516. We failed to break twice, and if you look at structure, you can see, right, you're creating lower lows every single time. You look at 2-minute time frame, right? You're not making any high highs, you're creating lower lows. So I'd love to see price come down, break through this level, 545, right? I'll look to sell 540, 545-ish. Break through that, look to sell there into 516, and then look for price to hold 516 and look to buy off 516. That's kind of the game plan. And then 516, if 516 holds and we buy off 516, I'm still looking for 740. Okay, if we roll through 516, then we're coming down to 29,440. Let's see what they do up here. Okay, there goes those 540s. So I'm in for a sell, and I'm looking for 516. 10 points. You move your stops to break even. Let's see. We are starting to break down. Let's see. So we're stuck in a 2-minute gap right above 530s, right? That's a 2-minute gap. I'm cutting that. I'm out. Because I just realized the 2-minute gap there, and we've rejected that 2-minute gap a couple times, right? So you need a candle to close below 540, right? If you don't get a candle close below 540, do not take that trade. That's gonna be a bad trade. So I'm out. Not that sale. I just cut it simply because that's a 2-minute gap. I'm not gonna hold a trade through that. If it works out, I'll re-enter below 540. So right now, 535 would be the entry. I need to see a candle closing below that. So 580 is still considerable for a buy, right? Buys 580 for a buy and sells 540 into 516, and then 516 is for a buy, as long as it holds. That's game plan.
Gotcha.
Again, right now we're just scalping. And that's why I'm cutting the L's too quick. Because I don't want to sit in that, right? I don't want to sit here and hold into this chop in a fair value gap. 2-minute bull gap. There's no need for me to hold in that area. Especially if just below it is buying pressure, right? Buyers are sitting right below that at 516. There's no reason for me to hold into this chop because they could choose to move their orders higher and feel 550, feel 560, feel 580. Then what? I get stuck with a bad trade. I want to do that. So I'd rather cut and not suffer through this chop and look for another entry. So you can see that, right? You can see why I had to cut that trade. You hold on to that and then you get smoked. So I'm back in 580s for a buy. You guys already have the game plan, right? You don't need to wait for me to call it out, right? So I couldn't hold on to that trade because when a 2-minute fair value gap, I just could not hold that shit. I let it go. Just had to let it go.
That makes sense. It looks like it's creating this little downward channel, so I definitely expected a nice move.
Yeah, I think they want to fill 516 and buy 516, but there's bulls right below that gap, right? And they can fill orders higher. They could just keep moving their orders higher, but I think they do want to come down into 516. So that's why I'm taking these 10 point kind of trades until we break out. If we do break 600, 605, 610, then we'll probably go to 740, 720, 740-ish. If we keep failing, right, then we're creating that channel to the downside, and eventually we break 535 and come into 516. But I don't mind scalping it. 10 points protect until we get a breakout. It's that time of day anyway. Might not be like yesterday, after the big move, everything else became pain. The painful move to the downside up until about 3 o'clock when the market decided to do whatever it had to do. Was it 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock when it decided to melt down? It was about 3 o'clock. But it chopped up from about 12 o'clock to say about 3. So it wouldn't surprise me if they did the same thing today. So that's the other thing too. Not a bad time to lower your contract size, right? There's no reason to play full positions right now. A perfect time to play light. A strong push. 610. Interesting. I think we're about to go for it.
I'm not giving an inch.
So we want to lift 615. Let's see if we can lift 615. So if you keep taking those 680s, that's another 30 points, 40 points almost. Right? Up to 620, right? 680, 580 rather, 620. So 80 to 620, right? Get yourself nice 40 points there. Again, scalper season, right? It's just what it is. You know, you've had a lot of big moves on the day. Don't expect too much. It's not moving. It's not moving. You're not gonna force it to move. Okay, so this last one I'm gonna hold on to. I'm gonna keep my stop below 516. Again, I'm playing really small. I'm looking for a break above 625 to go to 650, and then I'll break even. Once we hit 650, I'll break even. Above 650, I'm gonna hold. I'm just gonna hold it. There we go. Give me 650. Give me 650. Let's go. Come on. I want to say 650, and then above 650, I want to say 700. If I get that, I'm out. But it will frustrate up here. 630s. You need 650. There we go. 43. Come on. Give me 50. 50 incoming. You can move your stops to break even and take some partials if you want to. There we go.
There we go.
Let's see if we can push above 650, go 666. And then above that, we can pop 700. So you can take some partials here because we have smoked 650. It's more than enough points. That move. Let's see.
And she's stalling at 650. Surgical burster. Let her run. Let her run.
Okay, YouTube, it's 11 o'clock. And this is where we call it a day on the live stream. Quick recap before we go. We caught our first sell at market open that yielded about 200 plus ticks, and then price rejected hard at the bottom of the gap and started shooting up. And then we got into the buy and that ran over 1,000 ticks. Upon pulling back, Ghost called a bunch of trades. If you took those trades, you made an extra 300 to 400 ticks. So multiple opportunities to stuff your pockets. As always, thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more. To join us in the free channel, the link is in the description. And to join us in the premium channel, reach out to WBE Master on Discord or Telegram for access. Ghost, are we streaming on TikTok?
Nah, I haven't been on TikTok in a minute because again my PC has just been acting up.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I haven't been on TikTok in a minute.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, okay. This is where we'll end it today. Thanks for joining us as always. We'll see you again tomorrow. If you're in this trade, make sure you've locked in profit, you're protected, you've taken partials, all that good stuff, so that you don't give anything too much back to the market. Stay safe out there. We'll see you tomorrow. Appreciate that, Cole.